Hi guys, welcome to our channel. The question here is why you need to drink up this veggie. This veggie in the sense, as much as we love to eat carrots, like gajar ka halwa sometimes, it is said that the best way of having this veggie is in its raw form. Carrot juice is an enriched compound of vitamin A. It is a good source of antioxidants and just include it in your diet to improve your sight and strengthen the immunity. It's not without a reason that our elders always told us to load up on carrots. Of all their health benefiting properties, the one related to improving the eyesight was often emphasized upon. The tapering tuber is among the most commonly found vegetables in the markets and used in making subzis and curries. They are tossed in chaats and bhel, tipped in Indianized noodles and Manchurians, or to make the all-time favorite Indian dessert like gajar ka halwa. As much as we love this veggie in the various preparations, it is said that the best way of having it is in its raw form to make the most of all the essential nutrients that it contains. So, apart from tossing it into your salads, enjoy its natural goodness by juicing it up. A glass of carrot juice every morning can take you a long way towards a good health. You need still more convincing answer for this? So here are carrot juice benefits that will get you boosted. It prevents the cancer. Get your antioxidant fix. It is a kind of vitamin A booster. It boosts your immunity. It is good for heart health. And most importantly, this is used for glowing skin. So, guys, these are few benefits which you can gain by drinking the carrot juice early morning. Thanks for watching our video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.